so cool about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing? There's a lot that's cool about manufacturing. I enjoy most getting to see the different processes, the different machines that happen. You got to see a little bit of that here in our shop today. But the reality is, the bigger the company gets, the bigger that equipment gets. I would say in our shop here, the number one product we print is raffle tickets, and that's mainly because we bought out a company that was just a raffle ticket printer. So we do a ton of raffle tickets. After that, it's a really healthy mix of all the things that you saw today. So stickers, brochures, business cards, signs. There's really a mix of everything after this.
Well, I usually work mostly in wide formatting. But now I've been doing more of digital print. So I make signs, yard signs, we make stickers, and as far as the digital printing goes, we make brochures, business cards, and flyers, anything you can think of. I like doing a lot of stickers. I like seeing how they come out of the printer and like just seeing like the finished design and everything.
It's a lot of fun that I can make things digitally on screen and then actually be able to see them come to life and have people be able to hold them. Well, the amount of things that we make here really varies because we have so many different people coming in and they all need different things. But some of our common ones that we have, common jobs that we have come through are business cards, mailers, flyers, sometimes t-shirts. But it just depends. So an average day looks like a job comes on my desk, and then I figure out what the customer needs, whether that's me designing something from scratch, or if they just need some touch-ups, or if they don't need any help at all and they just need me to set up a job for print, and then I make sure it's ready to go and I hand it off to the production team.